guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to apply tooth gems or tooth jewelry. So right now I'm just applying some gel called etchant, and this just opens the pores of the tooth. So I think tooth gems are pretty cool. I want some myself, but right now I have Invisalign in, so once I get my Invisalign off, I will be getting some tooth gems. Right now, I'm just letting the etchant sit on the tooth. Now I'm wiping it off with a cotton roll, and then I'm going to spray some air just to make sure it's dry, because the material that we use, if it's wet, if the area is wet, nothing will stick, so you want to make sure that it's really dry. Next, I'm going in with the bonding, and this helps bond the jewel onto the tooth. And then I'm going to hit it with my light. And then next I'm going to place the composite material. This material is the same material that they use to put on brackets when you have braces. And this helps the jewel stay onto the tooth. It's kind of like a glue, but not really. So that's me applying a little dot. So she wanted hers in the center of her lateral. So that's the jewel. And before you cure this, you want to make sure the patient looks and make sure that it's in the right area that they want it to be in. So she wanted hers a little bit more centered and down a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to show her again to make sure that it's where she wants it to be. And then after that, I'm going to hit it with my light again. And that's it. So it's on there. It looks really good. I love these tooth jewelries. I love the tooth gems. I think it's super cute, super trendy, and I definitely want some on my teeth as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.